Power Automate is an excellent tool for automating tedious, repetitive tasks and saving you hours of time. YakChat now has a Power Automate connector that can be used to send automated texts, analyse customer sentiment and much more. In this video, we're going to demonstrate how to get started with Power Automate and YakChat. It's simple to get started with the YakChat Power Automate connector. You'll already have access to the connector if you have a Power Apps license or a paid subscription to Power Automate. You can use one of our pre-made templates in Power Automate by going to the Templates section. But in this video, we'll show you how easy it is to create your own flow from scratch. To do this, we'll build a flow that automatically archives inbound texts to a Microsoft Dataverse table. First, we must create the table in which we'll store the texts. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to Microsoft Power Apps. On the left side of the screen, select Dataverse, then Tables, and then select New Table. Next, we need to change the display name to Text Archive and the primary column to Message. This table currently only has one column, so we'll need to add a few more. On the right-hand side of the screen, select Edit. Select New Column. Set the display name to Direction. Then change the Required field to Business Required. We're now going to repeat this process for another 3 columns: Time, To Number and From Number. Now we have a table that contains the message, the time it was received, the number from which the text was sent and the number to which it was sent. We can now begin working on our flow in Power Automate. To begin, launch Power Automate. Then select Create on the left side of the screen, followed by Automated Cloud Flow. Now we'll set the flow name to be Text Archive. The flow's trigger then needs to be set. This is the event that will initiate the workflow or sequence of actions that we're about to create. For this flow, we'll look for YakChat and then select when a message is received. Finally, click the Create button. The first step is to choose your inbox or your YakChat SMS number. You can do this via the pull-down here. Then select New Step. We then need to select Microsoft Dataverse. This may come up immediately, as it has here, or you'll need to search for it. Once we've selected Microsoft Dataverse, we'll need to select Add a New Row. We'll then need to choose the table to add a row to. We're going to choose the table that we created earlier in this video, which we called Text Archive. To finish the row, we need to fill in the following fields: Message, Direction, Time, From Number and To Number. If you didn't set each column to Business Required when you created them in the Dataverse table, you can still find them by clicking Show Advanced Options. To fill out each field, click on it and then select the corresponding field from the pop-up that appears. For the Direction field, click Direction in the Connector pop-up. For the From Number field, click the From option in the Connector pop-up, and so on. When you've completed all of these, your flow is finished. Now any text sent to your specified inbox will be archived in your Dataverse table. Let's test the flow quickly to make sure it all works. We can accomplish this by selecting Test on the top right of the screen, then select Manually, then Apply, and then wait for the spinning wheel to appear in the centre of your screen. We'll now send a text message to our demo inbox. As you can see, the flow appears to be successful. Let's now check the Dataverse table. And the table displays the text that we sent to the demo inbox, complete with all relevant details. It should be noted that this flow only archives inbound messages. To archive your outbound messages, repeat the steps in this tutorial, but change the initial trigger to when a message is sent rather than when a message is received. Thank you for taking the time to watch this tutorial. If you require any additional assistance, please contact us at info@yakchat.com or via our website's live chat service.